Lost Memory, a cocktail tribute to Hatori Sohma from Fruits Basket. A still, deep sea blue-green martini with a single flower drifting alone on the surface, like the memory he had to erase. Cold, composed, and quietly melancholy. Drinks like grief you've made peace with. 8 elements make this drink: gin, dry vermouth, blue curacao, matcha liqueur, fresh lemon juice, cucumber shiso syrup, sea salt, and a dash of saline solution. Start with 1.5 ounces of gin and 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth, a martini base. Hatori is the most composed member of the Sohma family. This is the drink that respects itself. Tanqueray or a Japanese craft like Roku, keep it clean. Dolan dry vermouth, or Noilly Prat if you want a drier finish. 1/4 ounce of blue curacao and 1/4 ounce of matcha liqueur. Together they produce a deep sea blue-green, the seahorse dragon color. Quiet ocean, not tropical blue. If you can't find matcha liqueur, whisk 1/4 teaspoon of culinary matcha directly into the gin. 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of cucumber shiso syrup, a tiny pinch of sea salt, and a dash of 3:1 saline solution. Cucumber for water. Shiso for his Japanese roots and that slight melancholy herbal note. Salt for the sea creature he's cursed by, and also for tears. Add everything to a mixing glass with ice. Stir. Do not shake. For 30 seconds until cold and properly diluted. Stirring keeps the drink clear and still. Shaking would make it cloudy. This drink is composed. Strain into a chilled coupe. Float a single edible flower or a lone bay leaf on top. One small thing, drifting alone. Drop a cucumber slice at the bottom, like something sinking slowly. The Lost Memory is dry, herbal, and subtly grassy, with a clean citrus edge and the faintest minerality. Not sweet, not fruity, sophisticated in a way that sneaks up on you, like Hatori himself. Drink it in silence. He would. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.